Today we'll talk about how can you get gift cards on your DoorDash app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on me down here, and you just click on me. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find gift cards. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you get your gift cards in this list here. Just click on any gift cards here, and here can you pay it for checkout here. Then it's going to take you to pay this card or get this card on your DoorDash app. So then here it's going to take you to add your card information in this list here. So then it's going to add with you when you click here on change payment methods. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.